One of the things that I hear often from QuickBooks users is that they think of QuickBooks as just something for tax time. And what I want to inspire you to reconsider is that your tax professional only looks at your QuickBooks file sometimes yearly, sometimes a couple times a year. Okay. I would love for you to be looking at your QuickBooks file on a monthly, quarterly basis, more frequently looking at them, and then going to visit your tax professional as you get through like half the year and say, this is where we were last year. This is where we're at. Are we on par for tax planning? Is there anything we could be changing? When you get to third quarter, what can we do differently, especially depending on your business? Don't wait until the end of the year, it's already over, to then do tax planning. So throughout the year, you can be implementing strategies to be checking in on your QuickBooks throughout the whole year to make sure you do not have mistakes. And if you're cleaning up mistakes now, it's easier when you get closer to tax time. Plus, your reports will be more accurate because you know you've been checking things. Okay.